Connie Chiume makes Mzansi proud. She said she intends to fly Mzansi Flag High. South Africans have taken to their social media platforms to celebrate the legendary actress Connie Chiume. The former Rhythm City star shared few snaps of herself landing in America. The actress is believed to be there for the Black Panther 2 shoot. She wrote, "Hello United States of America. We thank God, we praise Him, we give Him the glory." South Africans have taken to their social media platforms to celebrate the legendary actress. Fans have since showered her with love on social media. Taking to Twitter, SA wrote, "Mama Connie Chiume, keep flying the SA flag high on the international stage. As we wait in anticipation for the coming edition of Black Panther without our King T'Challa. We are proud of you for showing off your talent." Last month, the star celebrated her 69th birthday. Taking to Twitter, Mam Connie said she thanks God for the years of her life. Several celebrities also then took the opportunity to show their love on social media. Connie_Ferguson. "And look at you Bitso. Such an inspiration.